É uma tradição de roupa em acaba, com os locais durante o período, na final de quaresma, também no beach, diferente parte onde nos islas, San Nicolás, parte praia também, strip de Eagle e também na Rashi, também junto com a família, para ir na campa, para 2 semanas largo. Pero nos acercar turista, para ir na, escuta fora, que nós opinar sobre a tradição arubiana de campa, Catilama. What's your opinion on the locals camping on the beach?
That's fire. I love that because I want to camp on the beach.
Okay. What do you think about it?
I love it. I wish I were local camping on the beach.
It's pretty cool. Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, they don't do it a lot, don't do it often, do this. So when they do, why not? Have fun.
Ik vind het een leuk initiatief. Ik heb er meer over gehoord. En het is, ja, moet ik ervan vinden. Leuk om te zien. Geef eens een voorbeeld waarom ik er last van zou kunnen hebben. Het is alleen maar leuk dat je met locals en toeristen dit zou... Ja, het hoort bij Aruba. Ja, moet je dan als toerist er iets van vinden dan? Nee, ik denk het niet. Je bent hier te gast.
I think it's fine. I mean, it doesn't disturb me. I'm having a good time.
I guess I don't have an opinion because I haven't been here long enough to know whether it's okay or not.
Okay.
I guess if they had their own area where they stayed and it was at their area, it would be okay, you know. I don't see why not. Or they paid a little something for people to clean the beach. To be honest with you, no, not for me because we're not next to them. I mean, I guess if we were right next to them, it might disturb you, but it doesn't disturb me.
I mean, I think it's a cool tradition if that's what they want to do. I'm all for it. I mean, I'm not really familiar with it, but if that's what they enjoy to do and it makes it part of their life, I think it's a great thing.
I love it. I think it's a great tradition, and it should continue. Yes, it definitely should continue. No, not at all. We love it. I mean, not from here, it's nice to see the local traditions and what people do. Yeah, absolutely.
I love it's a family vibe. So I love seeing all the kids out here playing sports together. So we're here with our family and they're here with theirs. And so it's a good time. Besides throwing the ball back and forth. Yeah, sure. We're part of the game. Yeah.
We have no problem at all. We love it. Oh yeah, no problem at all.
Well, actually, as she said, you know, to have the families here and seeing them playing on the beach and enjoying each other, it's wonderful. Yeah. I mean, is that their tradition to do that, the locals?
No problem.
Yeah, no problem. No.
Veo bien si es algo temporal.
Sí, exacto.
Si es algo permanente, no. Temporal está bien.
Mas óbvio que não tem nenhum problema com os locais também de desfrutar do beach pelo menos para 2 semanas durante o período de campamento. Asa na dia luz, também que join e ribe tradição aqui de campamento para o país, com a Tubini. Carlos é de lá atrás de câmera, meu nome é Brian Coleman para 24horas.com. Nós tá aí para mim de notícia.